pancetta and oregano. This is one of those simple and delicious, or even better, simply delicious dishes. And it's basically potatoes, clean, you peel them and you cut them in these wedges. I like them that way. You can cut it any way you want. With some fresh oregano. This is fresh oregano. You might be used to dry oregano, and I know I like dry oregano as well. But for the potatoes here, fresh oregano is the best. And we'll chop that up a little bit, just like parsley. Okay. Throw that right in. Some salt. Oil, olive oil. Okay. Toss them. And there's really an affinity between fresh oregano and potatoes. They go so well together. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna bake it. And here we have a baking pan. And get bacon or pancetta, whatever you like, sliced very thin. And you line the bottom of the baking pan with this thin pancetta. And let's line up the potatoes. Just like that. This is simple. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees, nice and hot. Put it in for about, covered with foil, put it in for about 20 minutes, then uncover it, pick up the stove to 450 degrees, and let it all crisp up, the bacon and everything. Ready to go in the oven. Well, just the perfumes. It's whistling, you hear it? It's telling us it's done, it's beautiful. The aroma, the crunchiness, the pancetta, well. Everything looks nice and crunchy. I think I will like to taste a piece. Okay, so. Okay, now this is a great side dish. You know, you're roasting, you have a nice piece of roast beef, roast chicken, whatever. You put this alongside, and this is just perfect. But you know what? It's great also for breakfast. Instead of making home fries or bacon or something, you put that, and you just put a poached egg or some scrambled eggs next to it. You have yourself a great brunch or breakfast or whatever. So let me taste. Potato is cooked thoroughly. It's nice and tender inside, and it has that crunchy crust. You know, that's when you cover it with the foil paper first. The steam cooks it inside, and then when you uncover it, it caramelizes on the outside. So let's... Really good. Potatoes, comforting, delicious, crunchy bacon, with a little bit of oregano, a little freshness of oregano. It's just the perfect